Good morning, everyone. It is, I don't know, probably June 16th, day 2 of the BT700. And we're just here at the Lobbies Campground in Walkerton. Everybody is just starting to get up and about, do their thing, get some coffee brewing, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. I've already got my air mattress and all my bedding packed up, and it's just a matter of getting some coffee in me and something to eat. So here we go. Everybody's got their boil up going on. Dennis, Brendan. So that's what's happening. Everybody's trying to get their coffee on and get ready to break down camp and head out. We are heading up towards Sauble Falls this morning. Probably camping at Sauble Falls Provincial Park. I've heard really good things about it. It's supposed to be really beautiful. The falls themselves are supposed to be quite spectacular. So looking forward to that. But yeah, right now we're just going to get some coffee, some food in us. How'd you sleep, Ed?
Oh, great.
Yeah, it sounds like everybody had a pretty good sleep. Ed's got his camp being broke down. He's a little ahead of us. But I actually have most of my bedding put away and everything too, just that my tent's a little wet on the inside. So how'd you think of Lobby's campground? Decent or?
Very nice.
And we didn't have to pay yet, so who knows?
Along the river, yeah.
Yeah, another story. If you are doing like any type of route like this and you get here later, we tried to check in and do our thing. We made phone calls. We couldn't get a hold of anybody. So if someone shows up, we'll do the right thing and pay, of course. But that's all you can do, right?
Yeah.
So anyways, we're going to get, like I said, coffee into us, and then we're going to get rolling. I'll let Ed finish doing what he's doing. Okay, guys, we have finally got camp broke down. I admit I was one of the ones keeping everybody up, but you know what? I got a lot of stuff with all my camera gear and all that, so sometimes it does take a while. I've been trying to work on being more efficient at having things ready the night before, just to be ready to go a little quicker the day before, but there's some things you can't speed up, like the tents and all that. So anyways, we're gonna head into Walkerton. I think we might stop at the Timmy's, even though we coffeed up here, maybe grab a snack for the road type thing. So yeah, everybody's doing good this morning. We've had a pretty good morning here. It's absolutely gorgeous out. Reinhard, how you feeling, buddy?
I'm doing awesome.
Wonderful. Tim,
Yeah.
Ben, how you feeling, buddy?
Great.
Good. Brendan, how's the rack working out, buddy?
It's secure.
Awesome.
That's all that matters.
Perfect. We'll talk about that later. We'll get a little shorty short going.
Yeah.
For sure.
Dennis, how you feeling today, bud?
Hey, good, Dean. Thank you.
Yeah. How you feeling from the ride the day before?
It wasn't bad.
Good.
It wasn't bad at all. Good, a good little run there. 25 kilometers.
127.
127 kilometers.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
Beautiful.
Yeah, pretty good. How do you feel today?
That's good. Yeah. I feel pretty good. Yeah, feel pretty good from yesterday's effort, and a little bit gas issues right now from my usual stomach problems, but yeah, still feeling pretty good. All right, we fueled up at the Walkerton Timmy's. We're all set to go. Kind of a meandering start to the day, but that's okay. We're not on a time schedule per se. So yeah, we'll be on the shores of Lake Huron pretty soon, better known as Ontario's West Coast. Beautiful sunsets on the shores of Lake Huron here in Ontario. So Goderich, Kincardine. So anyways, we're rolling. Good spot to snap some pictures. Check it out, guys. We just rolled in. I swear it is. I heard it crying, doing its call. It looks like a juvenile. Water's looking pretty clear. If I've dropped my GoPro, I should be able to find it.
you throwing it?
No, no, that's in the St. Lawrence River on the east side of the St. Lawrence River in Quebec. Beautiful spot. Think that water's deep enough to jump? No. Not to live through.
Maybe for a frog.
All right, guys, we're just stopped. I don't know if we're just outside of Paisley, inside, outside, whatever, but just stopped off here. Nice little spot. I do believe there was a bald eagle flying overhead, a juvenile, but I don't see it right this second. Yeah, great day for riding. We got favorable tailwinds again. I'm not sure how long that's gonna last, but knock on wood. Alright guys, we popped back out on the road and we'll probably be on this into McGregor Provincial Park, where we may take a quick break in the shade. Good day for riding, really good day. Hello. We're just letting you know it's clear. Alright guys, just stopped off in Port Elgin, probably about halfway to our camp for tonight. So just kind of stopped at Timmy's, got a couple supplies here and there as needed. So yeah, this is where we are, kind of in just an urban area, little shopping area. And we're just about to get back on the road. So good day so far for riding, great tailwinds, not too warm, decent little breeze. So yeah, we're gonna get back at it. All right, guys, we're on a trail called the Shipley Trail. If you remember this from last year. Just outside of Port Elgin. The next town we go through will be Southampton. Here we should be on this trail all the way to Southampton, and then from Southampton we go to Sauble Beach. From Sauble Beach we go up to Sauble Falls Provincial Park. So nice thing about this trail is there's bathrooms everywhere. I remember that little sculpture. Leave you on for a second here. There's a really nice view coming up as we round this corner of the crystal clear waters of Lake Huron, Ontario's west coast. All right, guys, you might remember this from last year, except for the road wasn't all dug up. So this is the place we came to.
Southampton.
All right, guys, check out this cool old car and the big Canadian flag. So we took a break down here last year. We met this really cool old guy, told us his amazing life story, being a professional rugby player. I look both ways for all you people that want to worry about me running running stop signs. All right, guys, after a nice little rest in Southampton, didn't film any of it. You know why? Because we were just really relaxing and taking it easy, taking in some food, some water. So the boys are just behind me here. I'm not sure if you can see them, but yeah, we're gonna make our way to Sauble Falls Provincial Park now. So we'll be there in about 24 kilometers. Like a small sea. As you see, we are in Sauble Beach. Pretty famous place. All right, we are going to probably take a little break here, and then we're going to continue on our way to Sauble Falls Provincial Park. We have arrived. This is our landing spot for the night. With the outside chance that it's full, but good stuff. Good day of riding. Everybody did great. Here's 66 right here. That's cool. That's coolio. And look at the big picnic tables, the long ones. Okay guys, as you saw, we arrived in Sauble Falls Provincial Park. Haven't had a chance to look at any of the park really, but some brand new facilities, good showers, washer and dryer. Everything works great, good water pressure and all that. So this is our camp. Got me right here. We're not gonna put the fly on. Reinhardt's not gonna rock a fly tonight neither, because that's what we do. I had an opportunity to give our drivetrains a little de-dusting after the couple days in a dust bowl. Preparing some chili, maybe some ramen noodles after that. Dennis has got some more side dish or something like that. Then these guys have got a 6-liter pot.
Species. Yeah.
We got some
Couscous going on. Got some salami and cheese going on. Holy crap.
Cheddar. We got some
Charcuterie board?
It's a party in your mouth, Steve.
can of
Yeah,
beans.
I haven't had one of those in a while. All right guys, we're gonna do our thing with food. We had a really good day on the bike, about 104 point something kilometers, and everybody felt great. No issues with traffic, none of that stuff. In that way, kind of an uneventful day, I guess you would say, but we did have to ride on the road as you saw. So we're gonna get our food. We're gonna eat some food here, and then I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So I hope everybody's doing great. Well, with day 2 in the books, we settled in at Sauble Falls Provincial Park for a really quiet night, and we all had a great sleep. So join us on day 3 as we make our way on the BT700 for another day's adventures, and who knows what we have in store. Thanks for watching, everyone.